The WYBOT M1 Pool Vacuum features an impressive 10,000 milliampere hour battery, enabling up to 300 minutes of uninterrupted operation, making it ideal for extended cleaning sessions. Its powerful 120-watt brushless motor provides commercial-grade suction, efficiently removing debris, dirt, and leaves from both the pool floor and walls. With app control, you can conveniently schedule and direct cleanings remotely, allowing the device to cover pools up to 4,305 square feet on a single charge. The vacuum offers 7 distinct cleaning modes and 6 efficient paths, ensuring thorough cleaning of walls, floors, water lines, and more for a pristine pool. A dual filtration system, featuring a 6-liter 180 micrometer filter basket and a 40 ppi ultrafine sponge, effectively captures both large and fine particles, maintaining crystal clear pool water. The rapid charging capability prepares the vacuum for the next session in approximately 3.5 hours, ensuring it is always ready for action.